Welcome to AI Money Multiplier. Join me on an electrifying journey through the world of ChatGPT. In just mere months, ChatGPT has skyrocketed to over 100 million users, clinching the title of the fastest-growing consumer application in history. Now that's not just impressive, it's downright mind-blowing. Now picture this. OpenAI's groundbreaking language model, released to the public just last November, is already at the forefront of a revolution that's set to transform the very fabric of our lives through the power of AI. But here's the exciting part. We're not here to simply marvel at this incredible journey. No, we're here to show you how you can master ChatGPT swiftly and efficiently. We're going to equip you with cheat sheets and unveil 10 practical ways to seamlessly integrate this technology into your daily routine, boosting your productivity and efficiency. AI is advancing rapidly and becoming more common in our daily lives. While it won't replace all jobs right away, those who are skilled with AI will have an advantage. Starting with ChatGPT is easy. Just make an account and start typing to get responses that seem very human. But there are a few tricks to getting good at it. The first key is posing the right questions. Fortunately, expertly crafted queries for a wide array of subjects have already been created, and you can employ them in a Mad Lib style. What's even better is that it's remarkably easy. I'll walk you through the process, explaining its efficacy and divulging additional strategies. Here is a list of example questions that show an important idea for making your queries better. They give ChatGPT the role of an expert in the specific area you need advice on. Just like you would seek advice from a knowledgeable person in real life, you can shape ChatGPT to be that expert. This sets the tone for the conversation and leads to more detailed and focused responses. It's essential to clarify your objective clearly. While some questions may already include this information, in others, you might need to add it yourself. Let's illustrate this concept with an example. Instead of requesting basic basketball tips and a warm-up routine, you can ask for advice like this. Imagine you're a professional basketball player, drawing from your expertise to provide guidance on becoming a successful basketball player. I'm a 20-year-old aspiring to play professional basketball, and I'm eager to receive detailed insights on basketball techniques, proper exercises, and game rules. Please share your top tips for enhancing shooting accuracy, managing pressure during high-stakes games, and even explain basketball referee hand signals such as traveling, 3 seconds violation, and blocking. This improved question not only adds details about shooting accuracy, handling pressure, and referee hand signals, but also emphasizes the role of ChatGPT as an expert. It encourages ChatGPT to offer explanations for its recommendations, which is particularly crucial for this type of request. Furthermore, there's a wide selection of similar prompts available for various scenarios. As we progress to the next step, keep in mind that ChatGPT retains the entire conversation history, enabling it to maintain its role as an expert while considering any additional information you provide. To further enhance its responses, you can specify details like proper basketball attire, warm-up exercises, and even ask for recommendations on basketball shoes. This approach allows you to create a comprehensive list of basketball tips and suitable exercises. The provided templates cover a wide range of topics, and simply perusing them can spark numerous ideas for crafting your own prompts. So, don't hesitate. Start experimenting and refine your approach based on the context of the conversation. There are numerous follow-ups prompts at your disposal to enhance ChatGPT's responses. Useful ones include: explain this like I'm 8 years old. Create a detailed list. Summarize this into 5 sentences. Write this in the perspective of a parent, a teacher, a police officer, or a child. Make this more formal or informal, and add some audience engagement or entertainment. Additionally, you can instruct ChatGPT to format information as a table or in bullet points. These tools can save you time and optimize various aspects of your life. Implementing ChatGPT is straightforward for tasks like writing essays, generating scripts, composing emails or texts, and crafting tweets. You can customize its writing style to match your preferences. Furthermore, it can generate content in the style of your previous writings. For instance, you could request it to draft a heartfelt message to your spouse in your own voice. ChatGPT can also assist in generating recommendations for products, books, or songs based on your preferences. For example, you can provide a book or product you enjoyed and ask for suggestions similar to it. It's an invaluable brainstorming tool for generating ideas for businesses, titles, writing prompts, and YouTube videos. If you're seeking unique or unconventional ideas, Be sure to specify your requirements to get the best results. Coding tasks become more efficient with ChatGPT. It can save significant time when writing or troubleshooting code. Another valuable application is simplifying complex topics, such as summarizing lengthy articles or extracting actionable insights from self-help books. It's also a fantastic resource for recommendations related to sports, science, or health and lifestyle. You can harness the incredible versatility of ChatGPT when it comes to cooking and meal planning. One effective way to leverage its capabilities is by inputting a list of ingredients you currently have on hand, and then requesting recipes that can be crafted using those specific ingredients. This feature can be an invaluable asset in reducing food waste and creatively whipping up delicious meals with what you already possess in your kitchen. Moreover, ChatGPT can seamlessly assist you in curating comprehensive shopping lists tailored to the meals you intend to prepare. By simply detailing your meal plans or desired dishes, the AI chatbot can generate a well-organized list of all the necessary items, ensuring that you don't forget any essential components during your grocery run. Beyond its culinary prowess, ChatGPT serves as a swift and reliable source of information for answering various questions you might typically resort to Google for. Whether it's trivia, explanations, or general inquiries, this AI-powered tool is at your disposal to provide quick and accurate responses, making it a versatile companion for knowledge seekers. However, it's important to remember that while ChatGPT is an exceptionally powerful tool, it is not infallible. Therefore, exercising your own judgment and conducting fact checks when necessary remains essential to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the information it provides. The future will be greatly influenced by AI, and those who effectively use it in their personal and work lives will undoubtedly enjoy benefits in terms of progress, efficiency, and even relationships. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed what you saw and learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Your support means the world to us. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss any of our exciting AI content in the future. We love hearing from you, so please leave your thoughts, questions, or suggestions in the comments section below. Check out all of our playlists for more AI content on how to make money.